Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make pumpkin pie spice. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please be sure to go down and hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and look at that description box down there. I have got not only the recipe for this video, but also a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make pumpkin pie spice. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. Pretty simple ingredients here. This is going to make 6 tablespoons. We have got 4 tablespoons of cinnamon, 4 teaspoons of ginger, 4 teaspoons of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of allspice. Let's mix it up. All right, bowl big enough for all your ingredients. Got our cinnamon in there first. We got the ginger, the nutmeg, and the allspice. We're just gonna mix this all up. That's our pumpkin pie spice. Let's take some pictures of this and we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Don't go away. Pumpkin pie spice, 4 ingredients. You most likely got all 4 of them in your cupboard. So I was looking up at the old World Wide Web here and I found a ton of things that this is used for. Granola, oatmeal, popcorn, whipped cream, lattes, spiced mixed nuts, squash, pancake batter, French toast, roasted vegetables, cupcakes, cheesecake, ravioli. The list goes on and on. Pumpkin pie spice, I'm glad you stopped by. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.